How to start a spiritual business. This is part two of going through the four major stages that you will need to figure out when you are thinking about starting your own spiritual business. So, in this video, we're going to be covering purpose. In the previous one, in case if you haven't watched it, you can go and rewatch it. We were talking about why bringing your real passions into your business is going to be a crucial starting step for you to launch or even think about launching your spiritual business. So, but with this episode, I'm going to be showing you why you need to bring your purpose into alignment with your work and your business activities. So, by purpose, I know it can be a little bit scary thinking about what is my purpose? Isn't it what we are here for to figure that out? Yes. So, if you don't know maybe what your purpose is, fear not. I'm not asking you to say, I need to bring my major ultimate purpose into my business. Eventually, you will. It will all come together as you will see it. But by purpose, I mean bringing a path into your business life that is completely in line with your purposeful living. So, with the previous topics that you were going through, that your values, your interests, what are you really good at, your talents, your skills, how can I bring this into a purposeful path and turn it into something that is going to create a positive impact in the world, not just for others, but also for me? You probably heard this before, that everything starts within us and within what's inside your mind. Basically, there's a reason for that, because if you are doing things only just for others and you're not fulfilling your own needs and your own desires and your own wants, basically, it's not going to make you feel fulfilled in the long term. Simple as that. And your business is going to fail very likely because you're not building it on a purposeful path to be aligned with who you are and to really serve you as well. Your business is supposed to also serve you, not just others. So make sure that you're going to be thinking about the idea that you have in mind. Is it actually in line with my overall mission? What sort of mission that you want to achieve in life? What sort of impact you want to create? What sort of impact you want to see happening around you? Hopefully it's a positive impact that you want to be creating. Is it going to be on a personal level? What sort of impact do you want to see within your relationships around you, within the communities around you, within the societies around you? And you can keep going bigger and bigger. And please think big, because the world needs more change makers like you. And we need a lot more spiritually aligned businesses and business owners out there, so we can shift humanity into a more authentic society by also serving the collective consciousness. So this is one of the reasons why I'm doing this training session or this video for you, because one of my missions is to help change makers out there, to empower them with essential business and marketing knowledge, because that is my background. Those are the skills and the talents that I'm bringing with me. I was a chief executive officer, I was head of strategy, I was a marketing director, a sales and marketing director. So I'm trying to pass on my knowledge to the right audience, if that makes sense. And I would like to be serving people with my knowledge who are going to turn this into something positive to create value for more people out there. Okay, so figure out where is it that you want to be going. That's why I gave you my example. I know where I'm going. This is where I see myself going on my purposeful path, that I'm seeing myself empowering more and more change makers who think in a similar way as I do, that also actually want to turn our world around into a more positive society. And with that as well, we can make a bigger impact together. So think around what is your purposeful path and how you can create a business around that that is going to serve your purposeful path. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to be going through the problem, which is going to be the third step or the third stage when you are going to be launching or thinking about starting your own spiritual business.